In this video, I want to show you how we can derive triple angle formula or triple angle identity for tangent. Tangent of 3x is equal to 3 tangent x minus tangent to the 3x all over 1 minus 3 tangent to the 2x. For deriving this formula, let me remind you the sum of the angles identity for tangent of alpha plus beta. Tangent of alpha plus beta is tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta all over 1 minus tangent of alpha tangent of beta. We use this relation, we use this identity for proving triple angle formula. In this formula, suppose alpha as 2x and beta as x. Then 2x plus x is exactly 3x that we need. So, we prove this in this way. Tangent of 3x is tangent of 2x plus x. Now for finding this, we use this identity. This equals tangent of alpha, which is tangent of 2x, plus tangent of beta, which is x, all over 1 minus tangent of alpha, tangent of 2x, times by tangent x. Now compare this relation with the relation that we want to prove. So we have to show that this equals to that. If you look at this relation, every angle is x, but here we have angle 2x for tangent. So we have to write tangent of 2x, this and this, in terms of tangent of x, because everything here is tangent of x. Let me remind you, double angle identity for tangent. Tangent of 2x is 2 tangent of 2x is 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent s squared of x. This is the formula that we have for tangent of 2x. And easily you can derive this formula by yourself from this general formula. If you suppose alpha as x and beta as x, this would be 2x. And if you substitute alpha with x and beta with x, you can derive this formula from the sum formula. But here we want to use this, and we want to substitute the tangent of 2x here and here with this formula. So let's do the substitution. So this equals tangent of 2x is 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent squared x plus tangent x all over 1 minus 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent squared x times by tangent x. For simplifying this relation, you can add the fraction to this tangent. You can do a common denominator. You can multiply the tangent in numerator and then do a common denominator here, then divide the numerator by denominator. But is there a better way for simplifying this compound fraction that here we have? This seems really complicated. For simplifying this compound fraction here, the better way, instead of doing common denominator, is to multiply the numerator and all of the denominator by an expression that can help us to eliminate these denominators. Because if these denominators cancels, then we can easily find the value of this fraction. So we want to eliminate the denominators. What is the denominators? 1 minus tangent to the 2. So we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 minus exactly tangent to the 2, because this helps to eliminate the denominators. Let's see what happens by doing this. If we multiply this by this 1 minus tangent to the 2 times by this fraction, then 1 minus tangent to 2 with 1 minus tangent to 2 cancels and remains only 2 tangent x. So we have 2 tangent of x plus tangent x times by this bracket. So tangent x times by 1 minus tangent to the 2. What about the denominator? For denominator, if we multiply this by 1, then we have only this term. So we have 1 minus tangent to the 2x, and then by multiplying this by this term, attention, all of this is a term because tangent multiplies by numerator. All of this is a term. The denominator with numerator cancels, and we have 2 tangent x times by this tangent x. So we have minus 2 tangent to the 3x. Now let's simplify this. If you look at the denominator, 1 minus tangent to 2 minus 2 tangent to the 2, this is tangent to the 2, not 3. This is tangent to the 2. Because this multiplies by this, and we have 2 tangent to the 2. Look at the denominator. 1 minus tangent to the 2 minus 2 tangent to the 2 is 1 minus 3 tangent to the 2. 1 minus 3 tangent to the 2. This is exactly what we need to prove. Look at the numerator. 2 tangent x. Tangent x times 1 is another tangent x. In total we have 3 tangent x. 3 tangent of x. Tangent x times negative tangent x is negative 3 tangent to the 3. So minus tangent to the 3x. We got to the other side. So we proved this identity, that tangent of 3x equals 3 tangent x minus tangent to the 3x all over 1 minus 3 tangent to the 2x. And for doing this, we used this formula, tangent of sum of 2 angles, and also we use this double angle identity for proving this relation.